Finally, we have airdrops to go and claim. We also have more updates in terms of eligible wallets. So make sure to stick until the end. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And we jump straight into the update. The first thing is the Zama airdrop right here. You can check your eligibility for the Zama OG and simply connect your wallet. In this case, for example, MetaMask. And also make sure it is very important that you go and connect your Twitter. This is the other important thing, as we see here on the Ethereum network, and make sure to go and do it on the Ethereum network. Super important. Select Ethereum network, go and change it as we see right here, confirm it, do all the procedure, and here you will check your eligibility. I am not eligible for this one. In case you haven't connected, simply go back to the page, which is this one right here, and we can see, by the way, also over here that there are a total of 5,500 OG NFTs, which is the one in the collection, rewarding creators, developer, testnet. So all of this will receive the airdrop. Super simple. And as we said here, make sure to go and check for, aside of your wallet, which is not eligible, your Twitter username. Super important that you can go and do it. And as we see here, you have the more icon on the top. You can connect and disconnect your wallet as we see on the top as well. Next up, we finally have the Bravis airdrop claim. It is also now live. Claim is open for the next 30 days. This is the website. Simply click on connect, go on to whatever website, or better, whichever wallet you want, click on connect, and you are good to go. So definitely super important as well. And simply make sure to connect them and do all of them goodies. I am not eligible for this one. As we see, this one I haven't really utilized it, nor I did try it much. Next up, one important thing for an airdrop that is coming in Q1, Gravity. As we see here, they have partner and they will be live on Upbit once the token is registered and submitted on Q1 and TGE happens. And Upbit is one of the most important exchange to be part of, because we always see somebody get listed on Upbit, the price go up incredibly. So they're really focusing on the Asian market, and I am trading here. Make sure to come and trade with me. And also, if you are a trader, make sure to come and join my dedicated trading channel over on Telegram. Absolutely free to go and use. We have done our call for today on Ethereum and Bitcoin, as well as on Leak. Then make sure to come and join. This is dedicated for traded, no sign up required. Just join the Telegram channel and you are good to go. But I am using Gravity as the exchange of choice, a DEX, decentralized exchange, no KYC needed. They're gonna have an airdrop. As we see here, you can already claim your airdrop. We already have all of the points, as you can see right here. And as well, because I'm an ambassador with them, if you sign up with my bonus, as we see here, you're able to go and get yourself a 30% boost, as well as giving you maker fee and only 0.032% taker fee. So the link will be down below. But this update over of the Upbit potentially, listing once it goes to TG is absolutely incredible. I am trading on them and getting points. As we see here, I got open orders. And if we go and refresh this page over on DeFi Llama, we are saying that Gravity is the best performing decentralized exchange out there, just below Extended and Variational, who still need to have an airdrop, but we are growing. As we see here, this is on the daily chart. You see how nice it's growing. We got 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 billion dollar days. And I really think it's going to be 1 billion token. I really think we're going to see a 1 billion evaluation, especially because we're launching as well on Upbit, which is absolutely incredible. So make sure to come and trade on Gravity. It is the one that you cannot let it go, in my opinion. This airdrop will be huge because, aside from other projects, they are focusing on the Korean and the Asian market, which is very important in my opinion. The link will be down below. Come and trade with me and get your point. Next up, we also have a hint of a Owlto token coming soon. With diamond hands will get rewarded, so make sure to go and trade on Owlto. The link will be down below. As we see here, all you gotta do is simply create some trade. They have 2 snapshots. The first one was already taken. You need to be taken on the second snapshot as well to be eligible for this airdrop. So make sure to go and do it. And as we see here, I do some transaction here and there just to keep it active. For example, I've done it in November, September. Just keep it active. Take it there, do a few transactions, be eligible for both snapshot, and you will be rewarded. And I do think that Owlto is gonna cook, because a lot of people participated for the first snapshot. Not many people wanted to participate in the second snapshot. So many people are not participating in this. So you will get the bigger piece of the cake. Next up, remember to go and claim, if you haven't done it yet, the lighter airdrop. Simply go to your lighter page, I will leave the link down below and you will see it on your asset, directly on your asset. No need to click anything. Your token will be on your asset page on Lighter. So let me know your total allocation for that. And as well, make sure to go and claim all of the soul-bound NFTs over on the Moonbirds website, which Burb is gonna have an airdrop soon. They have already confirmed it on their Twitter. You can go and check their Twitter page right here and check for the airdrop, but go and claim your Kaito, your Jupiter if you're users of those platforms. Make sure to go and claim all of this one. Super important. And as we see here from my wallet, I am already a user and I have already collected all of these badges. But with that said, come and trade over on Gravity, the most important airdrop that you can participate in. Make sure to come and join me for free on my Trading with Lorenzo Telegram channel. Absolutely easy. As we see here, we post charts, technical analysis, daily chart, and soon I didn't want to do it much, but we will go and put, because the community asks, profit and loss cards, so you can also see the trade that we are doing. But with that said, thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Have a great week. Ciao, guys.